Hey, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Now today we're going to be learning how to draw a granny. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. One more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's go down this drawing, let's go see what we can come up
For the
with.
first step making our grandma, we're going to begin by making one big circle right in the middle of the page. This will be the nose of our grandma. Now on the top of that circle that we just made, we're going to make two squares. We're going to begin by making one on the left and then one over to the right. These will be the glasses. Fantastic. Now inside of each square that we just made, we're going to add one small dot for the eye. Now going from the left square all the way over to the right, we're going to make one big U-like shape. This will be the bottom of our grandma's face. Now above those two squares, we're going to go ahead and make one big upside down U. Awesome start. Now let's go ahead and make the mouth of our grandma. If you just want to give your grandma a simple U-like smile, that's completely okay as well. Now on the left and right side of the head, we're going to add a small C-like shape. These will be the ears for our grandma. Now on the top of our grandma's head, we're going to make what will look kind of like a bush. This will be our grandma's hair. Now underneath of the head of our grandma, we're going to begin to make her necklace. Awesome, that looks absolutely fantastic. Now down below, we're going to begin to make the body of our grandma. Now let's connect those two lines we made with one going all the way across from left to right. Now on the bottom of what we just made, we're going to begin to make the feet for our grandma. Awesome, now we're almost finished, but we're not done just yet. So over on the left hand side, we're going to begin to make the first arm and hand for our grandma. So now over on the right hand side, we're going to make it appear as if our grandma is waving. Fantastic job on drawing your grandma. Now let's go get ready for dance party color time as we color in our grandma.